it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my boyfriend Husky.
Hey guys!
HS Husky, also known as Mike. I'm gonna be putting his links down below, so go check him out, subscribe, show him some love. He now has an active YouTube channel. What?
I have a YouTube channel and there's videos on there and it's great. You guys should check it out. It's
I'm
fun.
so excited. I roped him into helping me today because I got so many requests from you to make a 4th of July treat this year, and we're doing this just in the nick of time. Like, this is right before 4th of July. So we have got a recipe for you. It's from my new cookbook and it is delicious. When we were recipe developing and testing and making this recipe for the cookbook, somebody ate probably hundreds of these.
I've probably ate every scone that's actually in this picture. This is my favorite recipe in the entire book, just based on taste.
Really?
And what's crazy is I'm not even a scone guy.
I didn't know that.
I don't even like scones really that much, but these are so good, like no joke.
So these are fresh berry star scones, and they're really cute because there's blueberries, strawberries, and then a little bit of white glaze on top. So it's like red, white, and blue, and they're just so fresh. If you love scones, you may love this recipe. And apparently, if you don't even like scones, you love this recipe.
I don't normally like scones because they're so dry and they're hard and they just, I'd rather have a cookie.
Yeah.
But I think the berries are something in here. They make them a little more moist.
And the glaze.
And they're so delicious.
Oh my gosh.
Whether they're warm or even a day or two old, they're so good.
You're so into it.
I'm so into it.
Wow, look at this gamer nerd. He's into baking and scones. All right, are you ready to start baking? Throw that finger up.
Let's get started. Really quickly because I want to eat these right now. What's step one? Step one, we got to bring everything in.
Okay, this video just changed. It's going to be my boyfriend tries to follow my cookbook recipe.
Okay, enough talking. Well, this is the stuff.
Oh my God.
I found it.
I'll help you too, so it's kind of like, and the girlfriend steps in to help, if necessary. This recipe is so good. I'll be putting all of the ingredients and the measurements down below in the description. So if you would like to make these, all the information is there. And now this has turned into a boyfriend tries to follow one of my recipes. So I'm just gonna sit back and laugh. So you just take it away.
So Ro's very familiar with this recipe because she made it. I did not. So I will,
you ate it. You did not make it. You just ate everything.
Yeah. Oh, geez.
What's step one?
Step one is preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Better get going. Better keep that stove going.
Okay. Oh, geez. Which one is it?
Do you even know how to turn on our oven, Michael?
Okay. Look, lady. Yes, it's definitely this one. The only one that actually has numbers on it, so that's helpful.
There's two, because there's two ovens.
No, I turn on the griddle.
That's the griddle.
I don't.
You are heating this up and it has the wood block on top. The oven's over there.
Oh, great, we're off to a wonderful start. Almost set
Did
the
you
house
get the
on
right
fire.
temperature?
350 degrees
I'm
Fahrenheit.
checking you now. I gotta double check you because you're trying to set my griddle on fire.
Yeah, with the lid on there, that would not have been a great idea.
No.
So step number one, ask an adult to assist you. Step two, make the berry scones. No, there's more, there's more.
Step two, have Ro make the berry scones.
So you have strawberries into slices.
These are already pre-sliced for you, so I didn't even make you work that hard.
I would probably cut off my finger. And then we also have blueberries.
You know what? You should actually film on your channel trying to follow one of my nerdy nummy recipes without me here to help you.
Does it have
Let me know, you guys. Do you want to see Mike try to follow one of my recipes, the nerdy nummies, without me here to help him? Just him struggling all on his own.
Wait, do I have like a lifeline? Can I call you?
Let me know down below. Okay, you get 3 lifelines, and you can also have Dustin if you want.
Oh, Dustin is not a lifeline. Dustin is the opposite of a lifeline.
That might make it worse, actually.
All right, here we go. Next step. In a small bowl, whisk together the egg yolks, half a cup of heavy cream, and vanilla. I literally read that step 4 times. Okay, and then I have to read it again. Whisk together.
Whisk together, Michael.
5 hours later.
Mike, you whisk it good like you do a scrambled egg.
I've made scrambled eggs before. In a stand mixer, which I actually know how to use a stand mixer.
You do.
On a low speed, mix the flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, salt, cube butter until a coarse meal forms. I'm gonna have to read that multiple times. Look at this.
Wow.
Put that on the Pansino stand.
But you're blocking that camera, so you gotta move it over here. What do you need?
I'm
your sous chef today, so you tell me what to do.
It says on a low speed, so do I have it going on a low speed already?
I'm not saying anything.
The flour. Oh, that's a lot of flour. Okay, you know what? we're gonna, there we go. There we go, I get a thumbs
Ding,
up.
ding, 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 gold star, gold star, gold star, gold star. So many stars are coming at you now.
A thumbs up from Ro means that you should thumbs up the video.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell.
Okay, next thing, granulated sugar.
You got that.
I feel like these are all the dry ingredients, so I don't need to like, have it running just yet.
Okay.
Baking powder, that's this little guy.
Nice, Mike.
All right, and then we need salt.
Okay. Salty, salty.
I'm feeling good so far, and
Mike,
cubed
you
butter.
have to pour in the salt and say, salty, salty.
Salty, salty.
Wow, maybe not. Maybe no.
Make that your ringtone.
No, Mike.
Salty, salty.
There's so many things you can do, but you cannot hold a note.
No, I really can't.
No, you have to become a rap artist. You
They
gotta
slip
figure
right-
it out. Little vanilla ice action.
We're gonna lock it, and on a low speed.
Low speed. Nice.
I feel like that's a low speed.
Okay, and you're mixing until what happens, Michael?
I'm glad you asked. Until a course meal forms.
Do you know what course meal is?
Like a 7-course meal.
No, it will get really crumbly and it's supposed to look like that. That's not like your mixture's too dry. That's what you want.
I've always wondered what's inside of this.
I actually don't know.
It is a spinning square, actually.
Can you stick your finger in? Or
I'm not gonna do that.
Let me see.
I'm not. We're closing this right away before Ro gets any ideas.
I just want to test it out.
This is looking real coarse, actually.
Really coarse. A course of course.
If I was to describe it, I'd be like, wow, coarse. Step 5, slowly add the cream mixture until the dough holds together when pinched.
You got it.
I mean, does this qualify as slowly?
I don't know. I can't say anything. Okay, I can help you a little bit. A sous chef can help. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's nice and slow. That was a good steady pour. That's
Ooh.
nice.
That's getting real doughy.
But I really want all of that.
Okay, now I've made pre-packaged scones before.
Yes.
I don't know how much cred this gives me.
Oh,
Stick
go
'em
back
on.
in there. Go
Yeah,
back in there.
We are not losing that. And that dough is super sticky, so I feel like I'm on the right track here.
Okay, what's the next step?
Using your hands, gently mix the blueberries and strawberry slices into the dough. Okay, so we're gonna open this.
So Michael, you gotta take out, okay, sous chef tip.
Yeah, take this, take it.
Take it off.
Oh, yeah.
But seriously, take the bowl off. Okay.
All right, so we got our blueberries and our sliced strawberries.
And I'm just using these because I wanted something red, white, and blue. But if you want to replace the strawberries with raspberries or any other kind of berry, feel free. Like huckleberries, those are blue.
Now you're smart and you always remember to wash your hands. I don't remember if I did wash my hands.
Okay.
So I'm going to wash my hands.
Michael, you already touched the dough.
I've never touched a dough like this before. I don't want
I need to make you bake for me more and cook for me more. I can't believe you haven't done this.
So is this one scone right here?
I am not involved.
I'm supposed to do it in the bowl.
I'm just trying to sit back and not help you. This is so hard because I'm just like want to. Oh my gosh, that bowl just looks like it's gonna fall. It's just like getting closer and closer to the edge,
really
and I'm
is.
just like freaking out, and also just like all the berry. Oh my. Okay.
Okay, let me just stick this one. On a lightly floured surface, pat the dough out to a disc 1 inch thick. Ooh, is that lightly?
I don't know.
It feels,
Is it?
It feels lightly.
Okay, I'll give you a little help here, Michael, because your hands are kind of messy. There we go. That's nice.
Give me this dough.
Yeah, get a big dough ball right in the middle, but try to make it look nice.
We're trying. Okay, well I didn't bring my ruler to the kitchen, but
Looks good.
I feel like this is about 1 inch.
Yes.
Cut scones using the star cookie cutter and place the scones
let
on
me get
the
you.
baking sheet.
Gotcha. So here is your baking sheet, and your little kitchen helper put a piece of parchment paper at the bottom just for you so that they won't stick while they're baking.
Well, thanks, little kitchen helper.
I've done that for you.
Thank you.
And then here is your star cookie cutter. Michael, look over here. Hey, Michael.
Okay, I'm reading this
hey,
down.
but dip it in here. Dip your cookie cutter in the flour and then do this so it won't stick.
All right, here we go.
This is where you can't bake with me. I'll just boss you around the whole time. I'll tell you how to do it, and I won't let you follow the recipe. I'm just like my grandma. Hey, come bake with me, boss you around the whole time. That's okay, though. I love my grandma.
Okay, we are really trying to get every usable piece of scone here.
Okay, give a little jiggle, and then plop it on the baking sheet.
All right, here we go.
Cut the scones using the star cookie cutter and place the scones on the baking sheet, spacing them 2 inches apart.
Yeah, no, that's totally what
Dip
it's
the
doing.
cutter in flour between cuts. so it doesn't stick.
Just help them out a little bit here. I gotta say, this did not take much time at all.
No, how fast is this? Pretty quick, huh?
Yeah, real fast.
Okay, I'll help you put them on the sheet.
I got it,
I'm too impatient. Give me the scones.
And we'll just keep doing this to the rest of the scones. And I am definitely gonna use the extra to roll it out again.
Yes.
To make more scones.
Mike, you were paying attention when I'm baking. Look at this. Look at this. That's another gold star.
Gold star or a scone star?
I'll take both.
So we have our scones on the tray now. They're almost ready to bake, but not quite yet. There's one more step, which is step 9. To top the scones, you brush them with heavy cream and sprinkle with granulated sugar. We got our little food safe brush here, and we're gonna get that heavy cream.
I've never seen you paint on top of a baked good. This is so exciting for me. Okay.
I really have never done this before, so I do that. And then we're gonna sprinkle. Oh, that's a lot really in one. That was really coming in hot.
Just a light sprinkle.
Okay, well.
Do you think it's a good idea to maybe just paint all of them and then throw some on all at once? Or
I mean, I guess.
you're gonna do them one by one? It's also fine. I'm just asking. I mean, there's no wrong way to do it. It's just,
there's no wrong way to paint a scone.
There's a way my grandma did it, and then there's the way you're doing it. It's just they're different, and that's okay.
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and paint these all first.
Yeah, and this recipe makes 10 to 12, or if you make them a little skinnier, it can actually make about 20. This looks really good.
Let's see if I can perfect this sprinkle technique.
Okay, yeah, just brush them all over. Instead of Salt Bay, give us some Sugar Bay.
Sugar Bay.
Sugar Bay, Sugar Bay. You got it, you got it. That's a lot.
I mean, I do like sugar.
Lightly sugared. Michael, that's so much.
All right, our scones, I believe, are ready to bake.
I'm so excited. So you're gonna bake them until they turn golden brown at the tips, which is about a bake time of 24 to 26 minutes, depending on your oven. All right, we'll set our timer and see how you did.
Okay, so while the scones are baking, I'm going to attempt to make the glaze that goes over them. I've never made a glaze before, but according to the book, it's very simple.
What are the 2 ingredients you need? Easy.
Powdered sugar and a little bit of water, and the water is really hot.
It's hot, so we have to wear these. You're not allowed to burn yourself.
No burning myself.
And you're just gonna whisk these 2 together. That's how simple it is.
I mean, I feel like it's some sort of challenge.
It's very hot, it's steaming, so just...
And we're in. No burns, we're doing good.
And again, I'll put the measurements down below. Go ahead, Michael.
I've never whisked water into powdered sugar before.
Isn't that neat?
Oh,
that's how easy it is.
It is turning into a glaze already. Look at this.
Okay.
This seems to be perfect.
Okay, I'm gonna scoop these into little piping bags to make it a little bit easier to decorate. If you don't wanna do that, you can just take a spoon though and drizzle. Do you wanna do a spoon drizzle?
Yeah, maybe let's do that.
Okay, let's do a spoon drizzle. I'll get spoons. Oh, this is hot. Oh, this is hot. I forgot my own rule. These are fresh out of the oven. They're still warm. You want to let them sit on the wire rack for about 5 minutes to just cool a little bit. You can eat them warm, that's fine, before you serve, but just let them cool for about 5 minutes because they're very hot when they come out. And then we've got 2 spoons.
This is the teeniest, cutest little
Isn't it
spoon
cute?
I've ever seen.
Okay, so you just got to mix this. Don't let it set. And then scoop, and then you're going to drizzle over the top. And then you're going to let the glaze sit for about 5 minutes to harden before you serve.
And they will still be warm scones by then.
Yes, they will.
So
delicious.
yummy.
Oh my gosh, this is my favorite. Mike, let me see your technique. I won't say what technique I'm doing.
I think I'm doing similar. Your lines just look much
go.
better.
Back and forth. You just go up, down, and you do it zigzag. Perfect. And this is why this recipe is also really easy, because the decoration, this part is so simple. And if you like a lot of glaze, you can add a lot. If you like a little, I just like a little drizzle. Look at this scone. Are you kidding me?
I want to eat it.
And ta-da! There you have it. My boyfriend tries to follow one of my recipes, and this recipe is one of my favorites, and apparently it was your favorite recipe in the book.
So good. Go make it, guys.
Did not plan that. I just knew that you liked it.
They're so good.
It's a really yummy summertime treat, and it's perfect for 4th of July. They're shaped like stars, and we've got a little red, white, and blue. And you can put any berries you want in here. Are you ready?
I got one in each hand. I'm so ready.
Oh my gosh, Michael!
I'm ready for this.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, cheers.
Cheers.
Let's try it. Mmm.
Nothing tastes off.
Michael, these taste great. There's a little bit more sugar on the top than I would have done, but other than that, delicious.
So good, and still just a little bit warm.
Perfect texture. This is great. I'm so proud of you.
This is one of the easiest recipes in the book and also one of the most delicious, so I can handle it. You guys should try it, I'm serious.
Gold stars again. That's a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up because Mr. Husky did a great job. All right, that does it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. A big thank you to you guys for suggesting a 4th of July summertime treat recipe, and also a big thank you to my boyfriend. Thank you for baking with me today. I should say baking for me today.
I tried. You were able to help me a little bit.
I did help a little bit. Again, I'm gonna be putting all of his links down below, so go follow, subscribe, show him some love. He's amazing, and he's actually creating content on his channel on a regular basis. Like almost every Saturday you're putting out new content, and I love it. And also go follow him on Twitch. That's where he'll be gaming and streaming over there, and your Instagram.
I've been active on Instagram.
Both of our Instagrams are getting way more cute, way more active. I'm proud of us.
I'm having fun.
Usually I forget to post, honestly, but then like when I'm posting and I get to talk with you guys, that's like one of my funnest things. I start hiding and lighting, and it just makes me so happy. So I'm gonna be more active on Instagram.
You should be.
Yeah.
And on my YouTube, I have a lot of fun videos where I surprise Ro with stuff. It's super great. You should watch it.
And you should make more. I like your surprises, so like you should tell him to go make more videos because I love all the surprises. Again, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below what other videos you would like to see me make, because I would love to make that happen. And if you guys make this recipe, please take a picture and send it to me, because I love seeing your baking creations. It just makes me happy. It makes my day. Bye-bye.
Bye, you guys. And if you want to watch any other videos, you can click over here.
Over there.
Or there's also one over here.
Over here.
You click on that one.
There's here or here.
Maybe click on both at the same time.
Or there's one in there.
I don't know if there is a video in there. But here is serving size 1.
Oh my gosh, look in the hoodie. There's another video.
There is not a video in the hoodie.
I see it. It's in there.